Hello everyone. So this is I think this is second topic on business intelligence in Azure. We're talking about Azure Databricks, and yeah, this is a very important lesson that you need to learn in business intelligence. But this second topic is a very long title, but it's not that complicated. So we'll be doing AI assisted development on Python, PySpark, on um, Databricks notebook, and we are going to connect to SQL Server and also use AI there, and we're going to yeah integrate everything in the demo. So before we proceed, yeah, please subscribe, follow, and like. So we're going to do AI assisted development on Python in Azure Databricks, and we'll have a demo, and then we will connect to a SQL Server database. And step-by-step guide is first you need to set up Databricks. I already shown that in the previous training prior to this, so you can go back or click on the link below and launch it if you haven't done so. There's a 14-day trial for Azure Databricks. So what you need to do is to just launch the Databricks and configure a cluster, and then you can start creating your notebook, and then from your notebook AI will be there, and then um, you need to set up Azure prior to this, and I'm not going to do that because yeah, it's just very simple to provision a SQL Azure anyway, so that would not probably need not would not probably requires a demo. What you need instead is to have the hang on a second the connection string. So basically you need to, once you are able to uh, have the Databricks, you need to create a cluster. Then from there you can create a notebook, and then you can code. You have the AI with you, and then that's it. And then yeah, and then for the Azure, I mean, you need to configure Azure. You need to enable it to connect within the network where PySpark is, or where your PySpark notebook is. Yeah, wherever it is in the in the network. So you need port opening. We'll go for another lecture probably, and then for uh, connecting Databricks to Azure SQL, um, you need it will be using a JDBC driver, and it's pretty much like ODBC or uh, the usual thing. We need a connection. We need uh, data data frame or data table if you're using .NET, but this one is using Python, so it's going to be data frame. And that's pretty much the code. We don't, yeah, it's using 1.33 for SQL Server for the port, your database name, and etc. So that's just how basically you can connect, but you don't have to memorize that nowadays. So we are going to jump into a demo after this. So some more takeaway, once you learn Databricks, it's actually available for other cloud platform like well, it's available in Azure. It's also available on AWS, which is known as AWS Databricks, and we have also GCP Databricks. So once we know this technology, we can actually do Databricks anywhere in the cloud. So yeah, I'm a multi-cloud practitioner, so that benefits me a lot. And then thank you. My name is Joe. You can contact me on this and just send a comment or email me if you need help. So we're going to jump into the demo right away. And yep. So I think I already have Azure open here. Okay, so I'm in Azure. Let me just make sure that this is not. So the cluster is, we're gonna launch this, right? That's going to launch the Databricks workspace. Hopefully, we don't have any internet problem. Let me hold on for a second and let me check. Okay, so I'm inside my Databricks right now, and I'm gonna go to my compute, and I'm gonna create a compute for now, and that's unrestricted cluster. Joe is cluster unrestricted policy. I'm okay with that for now. We're gonna create the latest version. This is 17.1 of the Databricks. It's the latest runtime and will enable machine learning for that cluster. And kind of probably choose the least one of these. It's okay. Let's just create. And while it's creating the cluster, we're gonna go to you open the workspace in another tab, right? And we're gonna go for so once the cluster is created, and we need that to be able to create a notebook, a multi-purpose cluster, right? And then I'm gonna, yeah, why don't we switch to the cooking show? So I have a Databricks here that has already a cluster in it, right? That's the cluster, right? And I'm gonna go to the workspace. And the internet's really very slow again. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and create a notebook. I already created one here, but I'm gonna create a notebook here, and that defaults to um, Python. And as you can see, I have here the we call that the artificial intelligence already integrated into the build. So what I'm gonna type is create Control I to go into the uh, Control I. Okay, I'm gonna Control plus I. Okay, Control plus I. Oh no, or click or generate with AI. Okay, I'm gonna say create the traditional hello world. Okay, this is hello world on uh, yep. I'm just delaying the demo because it's just gonna create, and then we'll generate. It's generating. The internet's rather very slow. Okay, and now that's how, and then we can just run suggested. Oh, you need to accept. Okay, you run before, you can run before even accepting it, which is amazing. And that should give you 5 hello world. So there you go. And I'm gonna reject that anyway. So control I. So that's just the hello world program. Anyway, we are going to go ahead and connect to my Azure database, which is this one. And I'm gonna take that connection string. I already connected that with my SQL server, and I started development for this one. I'm actually doing an inventory. So it is also AI integrated. And I'm gonna ask Copilot to, I already have the products table, create this with all the attributes necessary and generate 10 sample data. And there you go. Also, the Copilot AI is generating the code for us. And there. Okay, let me just clear this thing here. And we said I'm gonna insert this to create the table, and we're gonna insert the sample data. And we're gonna run this stuff. Execute. And now we have the refresh. And we have now the tables for products and supplier. And I'm gonna go back to Databricks, and I'm gonna pull that supplier and have Databricks interact with a SQL Server and print the whatever is the content of the sample data, right? So select top 100 rows, and there you go. And we're gonna go back to Databricks right now, and we're gonna copy that connection string from, that's a property of the SQL Azure, and I'm just gonna go back to the notebook and connect to, tell the AI to do something crazy. Control I, connect to SQL Azure using the connection string below, and publish print. Well, the supplier data. So, and generate, and it's now creating the connection string for the for the database that we have. Oh, stop. Because we did not pass in the connection string, right? Regenerate. Okay. So it's now going to, I just basically copy that connection string from Azure. It's not storing the password anyway. I'm gonna change that later on, and then let's just accept that and run it. And then we'll go back ahead. We'll go ahead and examine the code. We have an error. Plugin failed for demo 1. What's the password for that? Okay. So this is my first time to. Okay, we'll just you already know what the error is, and we'll just need to accept that. And yeah, I didn't highlight the password, which is crazy, right? Let's close this, and now we have the sample data coming from Azure. So basically, that's how fast you can develop nowadays using AI and AI integrated development. So both on Azure and Spark. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy, and would like you to invite to follow me on oh god, to follow me on you know um yeah, on YouTube. Thank you for watching.